Hi everybody, I'm Matteo, one the chef. This is gonna be the English tutorial for pizza.
So let's start with the ingredients. We have flour, water, dry active yeast, and salt. So now I'm using 1 kilo of medium high gluten flour, but I want to show with cups for my American friends. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full cups and 1/3. Water, 1, 2, 3 full cups, and I save 1/3 of cups for later. Now I just wanna roughly mix with my hands. The dough is not supposed to be smooth. I just wanna wet the whole flour. I don't want dry flour no more. So the first step is coarsely mixed and then let it rest. In the meantime, I melt some dry active yeast. It's 3 teaspoons in the water. Salt, 2 tablespoons. After 30 minutes resting, I add the water with yeast and I start kneading. When you knead either pasta, pizza, bread, is all about folding. So grab from the outside to the fold to the inside and keep going. Salt is the last ingredient to add, and then I keep kneading for 10-15 minutes. And then I place it in a box, cover, and let it rest room temperature for 2 hours. Then in the fridge, and after 24 hours, it should be like that. Now I wanna make the pizza ball. So with a scale, I need 235 to 40 grams of dough, which is about 8 O's for my American friends. And then I seal the balls like that as a round pearl. There are a lot of technique. It's basically all about folding from the outside to the inside and then seal the bottom. And then I cover and let it rest a couple of hours longer. I'm gonna make a traditional margherita pizza, so I need some San Marzano tomatoes, peeled tomatoes I wanna crush by fingers, and then fior di latte mozzarella I cut into not too thin slices and then pieces. I don't want my mozzarella to be too thin, too ground. And then here we are. I get my pizza dough after 2-hour leavening, and then I want to press with my fingertips or enlarge with my hands. So now I don't want to stretch, just pressing or slapping on the table or in the ends. There are a lot of different techniques. Tomato, not too much, 1 ladle is okay. I save the white edge for a crunchy crust. Pinch of salt, fresh basil leaves, olive oil, and mozzarella. So this is the basic traditional margherita with Italian flag colors, the green basil, the white mozzarella, and red tomatoes. And then I can enlarge a little more with the weight of the toppings. And then in the oven. The oven should be very hot, the hottest possible. If you have the chance to get a pizza stone, it is even better. And here we are with my margherita pizza. Look at this, lovely. Thank you and see you next time for next tutorial.